Hey everyone, Jamie Oliver here, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of sesame oil. This isn't just any ordinary oil, it's a golden elixir that has been cherished for thousands of years. This golden elixir has been a staple in kitchens around the globe for centuries, and for good reason. Its unique flavor and numerous health benefits make it a must-have in any culinary arsenal. Originating in the heart of ancient Mesopotamia and India, sesame oil has a rich history dating back thousands of years. These regions were the cradle of civilization, and sesame oil played a significant role in their daily lives. Imagine, civilizations across the ancient world, from the Egyptians to the Chinese, treasured this oil not just for its culinary versatility, but also for its therapeutic properties. The Egyptians used it in their cooking and even in their beauty routines, while the Chinese incorporated it into their traditional medicine practices. They were onto something big. They understood the value of this oil long before modern science could explain its benefits. Fast forward to today, and we're rediscovering the incredible benefits of this ancient gift. From enhancing the flavor of your dishes to providing essential nutrients, sesame oil is making a comeback in modern kitchens. Sesame oil is derived from the sesame seed, a tiny but mighty seed packed with flavor and nutrition. These seeds are not only a source of oil, but also a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. These little seeds are pressed to extract their precious oil, resulting in a culinary treasure that's both delicious and good for you. The process of extracting sesame oil has been refined over the centuries, ensuring that we get the purest and most flavorful oil possible. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of sesame oil and discover how it can transform your cooking and boost your health. We'll explore various recipes, health benefits, and even some beauty tips that utilize this incredible oil. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, sesame oil is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. So let's embark on this flavorful journey together and uncover the magic of sesame oil. Let's talk nutrition. Today, we're diving into the world of sesame oil, a versatile and flavorful oil that not only enhances your dishes, but also offers a myriad of health benefits. Sesame oil is a nutritional powerhouse, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your health. It's been a staple in various cuisines for centuries, and for good reason. First up, we've got vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and it even boosts your immune system. Free radicals are like those pesky little troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your body, but vitamin E is here to save the day. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E helps prevent chronic diseases and keeps your cells functioning optimally. Next, we have healthy fats, the good kind that your body loves. These fats are essential for brain health, hormone production, and overall cellular function. Sesame oil is a great source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. These fats also support healthy skin and hair, making you look as good as you feel. Think of it as giving your heart a big, warm hug. But that's not all. The benefits of sesame oil extend beyond just heart health. Sesame oil is also a good source of magnesium, copper, calcium, iron, and zinc. These minerals play a vital role in various bodily functions, from bone health to energy production. These minerals are essential for maintaining strong bones, supporting a healthy immune system, and keeping your energy levels up. Magnesium, for instance, helps with muscle function and relaxation, while calcium is crucial for bone density. Talk about a nutritional all-star. Incorporating sesame oil into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. Whether you're drizzling it over a salad, using it in a stir-fry, or adding it to your favorite marinade, sesame oil is a delicious and nutritious choice. So next time you're in the kitchen, reach for that bottle of sesame oil and give your meals a healthy upgrade. Now, who doesn't love a good fun fact? Sesame oil is full of surprises. Did you know that sesame oil has a naturally high smoke point? That means it can be heated to higher temperatures than other oils before it starts to break down. This makes it perfect for stir-frying, deep frying, and other high-heat cooking methods. Here's another one. Sesame oil has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It's believed to have warming properties and is often used in massages and other therapeutic treatments. Talk about ancient wisdom. And get this. In ancient Babylon, sesame oil was considered a symbol of immortality. They believed it had magical properties that could prolong life. While we can't promise eternal youth, we can say that incorporating sesame oil into your diet is a delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. Sesame oil in the kitchen. From sautéing to salad dressings. Now let's get cooking. Sesame oil is incredibly versatile and can be used in countless ways in the kitchen. Its nutty, toasted flavor adds a wonderful depth and complexity to both sweet and savory dishes. One of my favorite ways to use sesame oil is in stir-fries. Just a drizzle adds a burst of flavor to your favorite veggies and proteins. Sesame oil is also fantastic for making homemade salad dressings. Its rich flavor pairs beautifully with Asian-inspired flavors like soy sauce, ginger, and lime juice. You can even whisk it with a bit of honey and rice vinegar for a simple yet delicious dressing. And don't forget about marinades. Sesame oil can help tenderize meat and infuse it with flavor. Try marinating chicken, beef, or tofu in a mixture of sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for a flavorful and satisfying meal. Choosing the right sesame oil. Toasted versus untoasted. In this section, we will delve into the differences between these two types of sesame oil and help you decide which one is best suited for your culinary needs. When it comes to sesame oil, there are two main types to choose from: toasted and untoasted. Each type has its own unique characteristics and uses in the kitchen. Toasted sesame oil is made from roasted sesame seeds, which gives it a darker color and a more intense nutty flavor. This rich, aromatic oil is a staple in many Asian cuisines and is known for its ability to enhance the taste of various dishes. It's best used as a finishing oil, drizzled over dishes just before serving to add a burst of flavor. Whether you're adding it to a salad, stir-fry, or even a bowl of noodles, toasted sesame oil can elevate the overall taste experience. Untoasted sesame oil, on the other hand, is made from raw sesame seeds. This process results in an oil that is lighter in color and has a more delicate, subtle flavor compared to its toasted counterpart. It has a lighter color and a more delicate flavor. This makes it a versatile option that can be used in a variety of dishes without overpowering the other ingredients. Untoasted sesame oil is more versatile and can be used for both cooking and finishing dishes. Its mild flavor allows it to blend seamlessly into recipes, making it a great choice for sautéing, frying, and even baking. It's also a good choice for people who are new to the flavor of sesame oil. If you're just starting to explore the world of sesame oil, untoasted sesame oil can be a gentle introduction to its unique taste. So, which one should you choose? The decision ultimately comes down to your personal preference and the specific needs of your recipe. It really depends on your personal preference and how you plan to use it. If you enjoy bold, robust flavors, toasted sesame oil might be your go-to. On the other hand, if you prefer a more subtle, versatile oil, untoasted sesame oil could be the better choice. If you're looking for a bold, nutty flavor, toasted sesame oil is the way to go. Its intense taste can add depth and complexity to your dishes, making it perfect for finishing touches or adding a final flourish to your culinary creations. If you prefer a more subtle flavor, untoasted sesame oil is a great option. Its light, delicate taste can complement a wide range of dishes without overwhelming the other flavors, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen pantry. In conclusion, both toasted and untoasted sesame oils have their own unique qualities and uses. By understanding the differences between them, you can make an informed choice and enhance your cooking with the perfect sesame oil for your needs. So, next time you're at the store, take a moment to consider which type of sesame oil will best suit your culinary adventures. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.